Warner Brothers is making more and more intellectual property right complaints, and unfortunately, a lot of them are valid because a lot of sellers are taking their characters, taking the superheroes, and putting them on new products. You can't do it without a license. But before we get to it, I want to tell you about two things. Number one, ASD, a huge sourcing show in Las Vegas, and the Independent Retailer Conference in the Las Vegas Convention Center, August 22nd through the 24th. I will be there, and if you are coming to the event, if you live anywhere near Las Vegas, let me know. I plan on hitting the dirt bike trails in the desert, or possibly going to Lake Mead and doing some scuba diving. I'm not really sure yet, but I'd love to meet you for some adventures, or just hook up for a cup of coffee or a drink. Before we get to how to handle these IP complaints, I also want to let you know that you should stay away from Smuckers jelly and Hormel chili and all of their products. Why? They are making complaints against sellers. So I don't believe in supporting businesses that hurt us, that hurt you. So stay away from Smuckers, stay away from Hormel. Okay. IP complaints by Warner Brothers. Now, if you're taking any of their superheroes, any of their characters, and putting it on your products, you are clearly violating their intellectual property rights. You can't do it without a license. However, they also seem to be very, very amicable at resolving these issues with Amazon sellers. Often, if you just stop doing it, if you refrain from violating their IP rights, I know we've been able to work out many, many deals with their lawyers, and you may be able to do so yourself. So, number one, don't violate their rights. You can't use somebody else's character on your product. And number two, if you've already done it and received a complaint, reach out to us, reach out to them, let them know you're going to stop, even if you have to absorb some inventory, because they are right in that situation. You are wrong, and you might as well resolve the problem as quickly as possible. You want to learn more about trademark law for sellers or copyright law for sellers? For the donation to the Ty Lewis Campbell Foundation, which is an awesome, awesome organization, you can download our books. $1 to the foundation, trademark law for sellers, copyright law for sellers, and of course, I am available to you for consultations.